Okay. I think we're live now. So YouTube has this second option in here and it asks you if you want to go live together. And I think I chose that one. When I chose that one, it won't let you start your live stream until you get someone else to join with you. So dealing with that for 15 minutes, and now we're finally in. Anyway, this is the Veterans Day live stream that I was talking about. In the last live stream, I wanted to build a CAC protected or CAC authenticated website. Now, spoiler alert, or I'm gonna ruin something for you. There's nothing special about the CAC or the Common Access Card. On those, well, first of all, those are actually PKI cards. Excuse me, I haven't had any sleep. PKI cards or smart cards. CAC cards do a lot of other stuff, but at the end of the day, all smart cards contain what is called a PFX file. And so, just want to let you know that, but we're going to figure out how it all works now. So here is my domain controller. I'm going to be a little bit slow because again, sleep is not, I didn't get sleep is lacking right here. But let's keep going. So we're going to log in here. I just wanted to do this out of, appreciation for the veterans, especially the IT out there that, and all of that, right? Right, it serves, right? Anyway, first we're going to just build an intentionally vulnerable web page. So localhost 8080, I have login.html. Yeah, you could see that. Shouldn't be too bad to see. And you see that we have, please enter username and password in here. Well, what we can do, just to have a little bit of fun, is put some local file inclusion on this thing. So we can go into Apache htdocs. It's weird because it's XAMPP and you just got to figure out what things are, which we may have some problems with that because I've never done anything with XAMPP other than with OSCP. So I think we could figure it out though. So we'll go here and save file new. And then we'll start typing. So let us do our local file inclusion thing. We could just say PHP and do closing things like that. And I'm going to make it bigger so everyone can see it. It doesn't look like, oh yeah, we're good. And then if I'm reading notes too, by the way, if set is set, get page. So I'm gonna show you what's going on after I stop typing. Include get page, same thing, right? And then two of those, and then one of those. And then we'll save this. I'll save as, it's not the right place. I tried to change the root directory of the server and it was just giving me so much grief. I just was like, fine, you can be here. Anyway, index.php. That's not it here. And then we'll save it as a PHP file. All right, boom. So if we do, and I hope this is big enough, index.php here, We don't get any. Oh, wait a minute. Apparently we messed something up. Unclosed thingy online. What did I mess up? Oh, two of those. All right. What? Oh, question mark. All right, let's do that again. All right, so we don't get anything because it basically says if you have a parameter, show me the parameter, and if you don't have anything else, don't show anything, right? So there's nothing going on with the page right now. So you'd have to do question mark page equals login.html, and then boom. So I think you know where we're going with this. You can say ///////////////////////////// Windows system 32 drivers etc host. Uh-oh. Maybe we did the slashes wrong. We actually did. Boom. So we have local file inclusion here. This is the host file excuse me. This is the host file for the system. I don't think there's any other interesting files on Windows that we want to see. So just to bring this home and show you that it works even on the outside, not just on the web server, we'll go ahead and this is a regular client just browsing the internet, right? Let's do Chrome or Edge. We don't have anything. What's going on here? Oh, they do have Chrome. Whatever. We don't care. So what I'm basically getting at here is we'll go ahead and once we confirm that from a remote user that we can perform the LFI, we'll go ahead and secure it by adding CAC authentication, which is not really CAC authentication. It's just like you're enabling, you're forcing the client to verify who they are with a public key. It's really what you're doing. And that public key has to be related to the certificate of authority of the web server in some kind of way. So that's why everything works. Let me think. So the IP for you is 56.102. Man, live stream's quiet. 192.168.56.102. 8,000, no, 8080. Index PHP. Okay, it doesn't like that for some reason. Maybe it wants HTTP. Okay, still doesn't like that. So we really don't have anything right now. So let's go back into DC 198. What? Still don't have anything. So let's ping it. This is whack. Let me see IP config, see if we have an address. We have addresses on both of those. We go to the actual server and see if we have an address, which I'm pretty sure we do. We do. Did I do the IP address right? 56.102. It should work. And it is 8080, is it not? '8080. So we're good. Let's see if we have anything in logs. Access. So this is all of the stuff that I was doing. So nothing. Hope this this goes correctly. So I'm doing a lot of stuff here that I haven't done in a long time. So definitely hope this live stream goes well. Let's ping it. Ping 192.168.56.102. The ping that's 56 port 8080. This thing is not working, man. Let me see if it's probably Edge here. See, the thing about it is I don't want to cheat you, man. I want you to know that we're serving an actual web server and I'm not doing any like trickery on my box here. Come on, bro. I just don't understand what's going on here. Can't reach this page. Index.php. Damn, it's always something. (56.102). Let me see if it is. Is it not resolving? Maybe it's not resolving or something. DC win domain local. You want that? Dang. I might have to, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to pull the plug on this. System 32, drivers, Etsy, host. Okay, so it ain't even. Okay, so I don't even know how it's resolving to that. 192.168.56.102. It's gonna have to work, man. So HTTPS. That shouldn't matter. I do have HTTPS running, by the way. It's just not configured. It should be plain text. Can't reach this page, huh? What about from my browser? I'm just gonna have to. It works from my browser, but it doesn't work from the victim. Okay, so I guess that's where we're testing it from, me. Let me just double check one more thing. I don't understand that. 198.129. Okay. What? Okay, it's working now. So index.php. Oh. Okay. So no matter what we do, we can hit our IIS, we can't hit our Apache server. I must have set it up incorrectly. I checked everything else, bro. So I went over all my other stuff. This sucks. I checked everything else. I promise you. Let's go back and see what we're missing. Do you see? So maybe config. Change this to listen on specific IP addresses as shown below to prevent Apache from glomming onto all bound IP addresses. So listen on. So I might lose control of the live stream when I do this. Last time I restarted Apache, it was just like, nah, bro. Ugh. So we'll try this. 192.168.56.102. We'll save that, and then, man, it's gonna get so mad at me. So we stopped it, and let's try to see if we can start this again. Okay, it didn't get mad at me. That's great. So if we go back to our victim now, and which is here, and we try it again. We get nothing. Wow. Config. Let's see if we can still access this. Can you ping from the victim? Yeah, I just pinged from it. I don't understand. Maybe this is making a difference. I don't know. Maybe the host file. Something don't make sense about this, because it works here. But yeah, man, once we get past this, which it seems like this is like a very small hurdle, but this is a what is the firewall command for? Okay, first I'm gonna try to see if I can hit from no. So you can hit, the thing is you can hit my IIS server from This is my Windows host right here. I think. Yes. It's got Facebook. This is my actual host. And nothing. But if I do this, I'm gonna hit my IIS. So firewall is good unless it's specifically allowing 80 and not 8080. That might be a thing too. Let me do an nmap and see what's going on with this thing. So that might have been, so I recently tried to do a RFI, remote file inclusion. It didn't work. nmap SC port 8080 and then IP 192.168.56.102. That's not right. Yeah, we got a long way to go too with the CAC authentication stuff. A long way. So I'm hoping this works because this is a long live stream, bro. It is filtered. So you were right again, bro. You were right again, bro. You on a street. It is definitely firewalled. That's crazy. So we got to go in here and we have to explicitly allow 8080. Ooh, it's been a while since I've done this. Inbound rules. Let's just try to copy this. Copy. Can we paste the rule? Yeah, we can do that. But then instead of, we'll just say 8080. Allow, and then any IPs 8080. All right, boom. So let's try it now. Bro, you always on it, bro. Man, when I first get my first million, I'm making a donation to you, bro. Like in your name, man. To any charity you want. Any charity you want. I got you. Don't even worry about it. You've been killing shit for me. Thank you so much for that. We burned a little bit of time, but it's okay because we got time. All right. Let's get back on track. So we had to open up the firewall. And so now we do this. You probably missed when I did the I have vulnerable code on this server. So let's go back to this. So this is the vulnerable code here. And as you see, we have LFI. So let's do LFI from the victim. Well, I don't know if we want to call this the victim in this case. We'll just do page equals C Windows system 32 drivers etc host. I really don't know no other. Yeah, boom. So we have LFI here and stuff. So we don't really need to do the backslashes because I didn't give it a include path. It's just vulnerable, right? But what we also have here is basically I just wanted to set the scenario of we have a vulnerable web page, login.html, and we want to protect it. So I also gave it a kind of a thing. So you put admin and you enter a command. I could not get this to work last night for anything. Like, I don't know what it was. I think I need to add to the tech stack. I need to add Node.js to it so it could actually interact with the operating system. But that's neither here or there. That's basically how the web app works. And then of course it's vulnerable again to LFI, right? We don't want that. So instead of, defending it like we should, we want to protect this with some kind of client authentication, SSL client authentication, aka CAC authentication, and we'll walk through that now. So before I even get started, I'm gonna tell you that I'm going to skip a crucial step here because I was too lazy to figure it out, which is when you have such a protection. By the way, this live stream is for, DOD, military, etc., to try to figure out how things work. But this technology is really for everyone. More than the military uses it, and basically you have a reverse shell. You have a reverse proxy in front of your host. So let's just say if you want to access like blank.mil, right? There is a reverse proxy that you're going to hit first, and then the reverse proxy is going to take that domain name and say, okay, where do you go within this network? Here. Oh, you're going in this one. Boom. Reverse proxy sends you there. But before you get there, you're going to have to put in your, some people use passwords. Some people use PIN numbers. It doesn't really matter what you use when it asks you for a PIN. It's all a passphrase that goes with your public and private keys. That was just a brief rundown. Now we're going to actually get into the actual stuff here. So, all right, this is going to be a little bit troubling because none of this is going the way I wanted to go, but it should work toward the end. Let's go into CD, home Cali work, home lab, and then we'll do clear. Let's make their CAC. Oh, spelled that wrong. Make their CAC. CD, CAC. And then I'll show you the exact file that will go on the CAC card so that you kind of understand how it works, or CAC card, or common access card, or whatever we're talking about, right? So the first thing that you want to do is create a certificate authority. So your certificate authority is obviously the entity that's issuing your certificate. So you might have there's a few out there. But obviously your employer, whoever you work for, is issuing those certificates. So just keep these things in mind. So the command we want to run here for our private key for our certificate authority is open SSL and read notes gen RSA AES 256 out certificate authority key, and then 4096, I think. Passphrase here. I'm not going to do passphrases, but this is where you're going to... Did that go correctly? Oh. It looks like it was trying to give me a... remove. All right, I'm gonna actually use a passphrase then. How about that? Okay, it likes a passphrase, so we're actually going to use passphrases. So if I forget it, don't blame me, don't judge me. We're doing our best, right? All right, so that is our private key for our certificate authority. If this gets out, everybody's screwed. We don't want that. So the next thing that we want to do is create a certificate authority public key, which is open SSL request new X509, and then days. I'm going to put 365 days. This should at least be 5 years. If you ever get into PKI stuff and you want to start managing public key infrastructure and things like that, this should be 3 to 5 years. It should not be a year. Don't be crazy. Key, certificate authority. You're probably saying like, okay, well, what difference does it make? Nobody's gonna crack this anyway. But yeah, but still, you want to do the right thing here. So your key is this is this obviously, and then you're going to create this CRT file, which is nothing but a public key. What happened? New. So I hope you're taking notes if you ever want to set this up for yourself, or you're following along, whatever the case. Or you can come back to the live stream here. Passphrase, I'm gonna just come up with my same little passphrase. So this is where we can put in things about our certificate authority. I'm in the United States, and then I am in a state. I'm just gonna put the wrong state here. Mississippi. Locality name, Jackson. Organization name, unknown. Artist. Organizational unit name. YouTube, I guess. Common name, I don't know. Let's do, I don't know. What I'll put here? Unknown artist .com. Email address. I'm just gonna put this in here so you can hit me up if you ever need me. Oh, I screwed it up. Let's try it again. This is where I'm from, where I'm not where I'm currently at. I am from Jackson, Mississippi. And if you're ever in Jackson, Mississippi, I got some advice for you, bro. Don't stop at the gas station. Keep going. Don't stop at the gas stations. Please don't. If you do stop at a gas station and get some gas, I hope you are licensed to carry a weapon. It's not that serious all the time until it is. So, you know, I'm a big believer in making sure you're good. So we just created a public key for our certificate authority. I don't want you to get confused here because this is valuable information. By the way, if you want to know a less sloppy way of doing this, you can hit up IPSEC's video. IPSEC has a video called, what the hell is it called? Securing Vendor Web Apps. And he's a lot cleaner, a lot more professional when he does things. I'm really not. I just like having fun. So it's me. The next thing that you want to do is create a private key for your website. So this private key only belongs on the web server. This doesn't go anywhere. If this gets like, if someone takes it or whatever the case, it's bad. So yeah, real bad. So you just type open SSL requests new key RSA 2048 nodes key out, and then this is the name of the web key, so we'll just call it web.key, and then out web.csr. This is the private key actually. Did I say that? Yeah, I did say that actually. Private key. And then I want this to match. So US, Mississippi, Jackson, unknown artist. What did I put? YouTube here. Common name. I did unknownartist.com. And then my email address. So with this, I would challenge, a challenge password. Damn. Password. I don't know what this extra stuff is. Unknown artist again. All right, boom. So now we have our private key that belongs on our web server. Don't let anybody have this one. Obviously, because it's the private key, right? Once we do that, we can now create our public key for our website. So this public key should people will have it, right? Because it's public and it will be used to encrypt things. X509 requests days. I'm gonna put 365 again. If you ever get into this field where you're managing such things, please don't use 365. Just like, I guess, follow your company standards. CRT, CA, key is CA key, and again that goes to your private key. Set serial 01 out. I screwed something up here. Web CRT. What did we mess up? Did it work? It did not. We messed up something. So it should have been very similar to the first public key we made. So that's good. CA is good. CA key. It's always this. This messes me up. Let's try this. Oh man. It says X509 use help for summary. I don't know what that's about. Man. Is this thing right? So I think this is correct. This is correct. I have a bad feeling about this. CRT is good. This is good. Oh, I know what I screwed up. I actually screwed up the days here. Oh, because I changed the other thing back. All right. So yes, this is the creation of our website's public key. So my Cali is on his last leg, man. Yeah, excuse me. All right, it's finally working. Enter passphrase. All right, boom. We had the passphrase correct. And now our web, you know what I mean. So now we create the thing that goes into the CAC card or the smart card or the PKI card, whatever we're calling it these days, doesn't really matter. Military calls it a CAC card, and they use it for different things. Most importantly, they use it to authenticate the stuff and do other things. And then like regular people use it to like authenticate the stuff as well, right? And so yes, so I would tell you, as far as what I know about the smart card right now, it is the best thing smoking. I don't think there's a way that I have read about that can destroy the power of it as far as authenticating into websites and stuff. And so that's why I really believe in something you have and something you know versus something you know and something you know again. Like a two-factor or whatever. I don't know. I'm sleepy, man. I didn't sleep last night, bro. I don't know why I didn't sleep. I was trying to actually work on this and it was like, it's giving me trouble. Anyway, let's go ahead and create that. All right, so first thing, again, just like we did last time, create our private key. So open SSL, request, new key, RSA to, you see how it's just going on in line, nodes, key out. We'll just say CAC key out. CAC CSR. 2-letter code. We'll just keep it the same. Mississippi, Jackson, unknown artist. Now I'll have to tell you, past this, I have to warn you, I am installing this on Windows, and this is the first time I've ever done that. So I don't know where these keys go. I can only speculate, and hopefully I can redirect my web service to that, restart the web service, and then boom, I get prompted with client authentication. That is the hope there. But if not, hey, I did my best, bro. Common name is unknownartist.com. Email address, we'll just put my email address there again, in case you want to hit me up and get my OSCP notes. I got some sick notes. And then there's a challenge password again. I'm just gonna put password and then unknown artist. Okay, so I don't know what this is. This is my first time seeing this. I've only done this once, and then I saw IPSec doing it, and I was like, wow, it would be a good video. We're not out of the doghouse yet. Now we have to actually make the file that goes on your smart card or your CAC card or whatever we're calling it, and that is called a PFX file. And you're going to do that by typing open SSL, and I promise you this should be the last time we run this. It'll be PKS export out CAC PFX in key CAC key in CAC CRT. Okay, we screwed something up. This is our private key. Yeah, we messed this up pretty badly. Let's do that. Damn, we gotta do this again. Mississippi. I guess we're getting our reps. Jackson. Organization name. Unknown artist. Organizational name. YouTube. Common name is unknownartist.com. All right, whatever. At this point, I'm just done. Unknown artist. All right. So now let's run that command again. We still get an error. What do we have? Let's remove, first of all, this. CAC CSR. How does it have a literal? Ugh. That's gonna bug me, bro. It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter. Let's just keep going. That's gonna bug me though. Yeah, man. I appreciate it. You want to be like me, man? I'm just trying to, like, I don't know. I think it's because of YouTube is the reason why I got so much better, that I can just keep coming here every day. And because I promise, like, I made the promise to live stream every morning, so now that's making me better. And then, like, if you guys didn't show up, I would stop doing this, man. So the feeling is mutual here. I gotta keep. I'm screwing this up. I hope you see me screwing this up, right? But whew. Yeah, if you hit me up, I can. It's not the OSCP notes, as in like the notes that I got from the actual course material. They're the notes that I took when I was doing TJ Knowles' list, and they helped me pass. So I've been giving those out when people need them. I'm having trouble making my PFX file though, so I'm gonna get back to this. But yeah, if you hit me up on my email, I got you. Damn it. All right. Oh. This is wrong. No certain in file matches private key. Okay, I think all right, this is not right. This is private key. Damn. Maybe I should have went with my original name for stuff. So this first one with the nodes is correct. There's nothing wrong there. The one with the second one, which should have been requests with the 509, should have been next. So I skipped the part. So this is my private key being created. I didn't create a public key. So that's why it's pretty pissed at me. All right, let's do public key. It's important to have notes if you're gonna be doing stuff like this, because this isn't like super intuitive. Yeah, definitely email me, bro. I got you. I might not answer right away, but trust me, within 24 hours, like, you'll be good. And the only reason why I just don't link them to my yeah, we don't have to get into that right now. Yeah, we'll talk. So let's do my public key now. Rec days 365 and CAC-CSR, right? Yep. CAC-CRT. Man, CA key. Yo, my brain is melting while I'm typing this. CAC key. Set serial to out CAC-CRT. Unable to load certificate. Okay, so I'm getting CAC and certificate authority mixed up. I probably should have did that, but I think this will be good. Certificate authority, certificate authority private key do not match. Oh, it wants the certificate authority key here. Boom. All right, so that worked, hopefully. If it don't work, don't judge me. Those are all of the steps. I wish I would have did that cleanly, or more clean than that. But this is your public key. If you don't remember anything else, your public key for your CAC. It's just unfortunate that I went with CAC and CA, but like, yeah, you're gonna have to take some really, really scrupulous notes here. Finally, we can go ahead and do our actual CAC card file, or CAC file. CS12 export out CNCPFX in key. It should be CAC key this time. And then in This should be CAC-CRT. Boom, it worked. So now we should have everything we need. So these files go different places. Unfortunately for us, we don't have a way to SSH. To my knowledge, we don't have a way to SSH into France here. We need to get our web server public and private. Let me just look just to see. Not there. It needs to go here. Conf. Okay, so we need to get some stuff here. Let me actually look here just to make sure I don't get confused, because I will. So web CSR goes there, web CRT goes there, and I want to say that CACRT goes there. Yep, because it's going to be the web private key goes there, the web public key goes there, and the certificate authority public key goes there. I need a way to transfer files. I wanted to do SSH. Let me just make sure there's no SSH here. Damn. Can we install SSH really quick? Can we do that? I don't want putty. That's the thing too. Like, oh, we can do open SSH. Windows has a built-in SSH client. No, you don't. Because if you had one, I would be using it. No, that's not fair. They really actually do. It's just not on this one for some reason. Let's get started, bro. Am I active on Twitter? I would not say that I'm active, as in like tweeting every day. I am on Twitter, and I do from time to time. I check, like, the main people that I check is Red, and then my friends, and then I'm off. Red is probably, to me, probably the best, hands down, when it comes to red team stuff. I don't really check anybody else. I check him, and then the thing about Twitter right now, the drama, like the complaining about Twitter, just burns me out really quick. So I'm pretty much off. There's another guy that I follow too. He's French. Shock. And then that's it. Well, I follow a lot of people, but those are the two people that I actually look for when I'm on there to spit information. And then if they don't, then I'm done. And I'll just show you what I'm talking about really quick, just to take a little break from what we're doing. Twitter's not gonna work here. What am I doing? You know, you get it. Twitter is a bunch of people in first world countries with first world problems, and it's like right now the cool thing to do is complain about Twitter, but use Twitter, and I don't understand that. Or the cool thing is to be a celebrity and say you hate Elon Musk and you're out, but then you go back and check your retweets. It's a crazy time. I'm not knocking nobody for their hustle. I'm just saying, like me, I could never waste my time. How do I get that? GUI PowerShell. So it's not present. So can we do this? Let's see. I like to do new things that I haven't done before. Install the SSH clients. Bro, chill, man. I'm on the DC. I don't need elevation. I'm already elevated. Let's see if that works. Source files could not be downloaded. I don't know. Let's just do that then. Okay, fine. We're just gonna have to go ahead and do it the hard way. Open SSH Windows install. We'll just download the binary, whatever, it's fine. But yeah, we need a way to get the files there. I don't want to do it. This is shameful, bro. Apps. Let's try that. Open, please. Settings. Please hurry. I'm trying to get to the grand finale. We're at 1 minute already. Yours does not match mine. Apps. Isn't there an open SSH binary that I could just double click and watch run? What is that? Click add a feature. Here it is. Okay. All right. That sucks. We got to get SSH on this thing. I don't want to transfer files any other way. Shit, I tried. So the SSH. Let's do that this time. It's been storming here, man. It's been storming. Boom. Fingers crossed, man. I really don't want to spend all my time hunting for open SSH. We tried that way too. We tried both of those ways. Yes, open SSH download. It should be a download, bro. Here, there you go. Releases. Okay. These mirrors. Okay, so I don't see what I'm currently looking for. Let's try this one from this sketch ass site, bro. For Windows, thank you so much. Probably gonna give me a virus here, but that's cool. Could prove tricky for novices. What is that supposed to mean? No, I don't want that. Don't do me like that, man. I'm asking for the download. I don't want to be redirected to the site. I don't see no download, bro. All right, you know. Oh, it says it's ready. block. Just download my shit, man. Nothing. Just screw you and your Tom. All right, so we are going to have to use cert-util, which I don't know. I don't remember how to use cert-util. It's been so long, bro. They just wasted all my time. Relaunch download. All right, yeah. So I'm gonna go back to my Kali. It's a shame, like something as simple as this, Python 3. It's something as simple as this, man. 135. I mean, I could also do a share, but I don't know if I'm gonna go through that either. I'm getting confused too, because it never started, did it? Let's allow this time and see what happens. Yeah. It'd be nice to have SSH. Did he put putty on here? No, it's not. It's all right, whatever. Cert-util. Where are you? Probably need to be elevated. Cert-util. Need to be in the right spot. CDC. XAMPP. Conf. Damn it, no. The Apache conf here. All right. Cert-util.exe URL cache f http 192.168.56.135 port 8080. And what was the thing? We need ca.crt. ca.crt. And then we can save it as certificates authority pub. That way we know what it is instead of using these cryptic words. So if we ls here, we have that here now. So the command works, which is dope. Now we can just continue to go down the line. We also need web.key here. And we'll just call it website private.key. That worked, I guess. Yeah. And then website public key. But we don't want to call it that. We want to call it CRT. And then web CRT. So we have all three here. Boom. Whatever. All right. We can say thank you to our Kali thing here. And then keep going. So the next thing we have to do, man, yeah, I've been doing this a while, and I've been in places where it's like, damn, how do you do that? But yeah, a few ways to get around bull crap. I really feel like I should have, I really feel like I should have what I want to say here. SSH on here, but man, I appreciate the compliment, man. I just try to grind, man. All right. So where are we? All right. So boom. Next thing that we should do is, let me go back to my notes because I'm gonna lose track of where I am. We need to configure a file called and we need to do this with the notepad. I got a lot of stuff going on here. I think this is it, actually. Yes, it's it. So we need to configure a virtual host file. So I want to stop right here and talk to everyone for a minute. I didn't do everything that I could do for this video. I really wanted to configure a reverse proxy and I didn't. But and that was because I didn't want to go through and install an Apache on two things, because Apache on Windows really kicked my ass. So I didn't want to get it kicked again with Linux. So there's that. So this would go on your reverse proxy. Just know that. But today is going to go on our actual DC. Maybe I'll do this video again where I have my reverse proxy set up. If you really want to learn though about this and how it would actually work, look at IPSEC's video. I would keep shouting it out, but I keep forgetting the name of it. Securing vendor web apps. And he kind of walks through this. Yeah. Anyway, so server name. I have to come up with a server name. Virtual hosts. Man, I hope I do this right. Hope I do this right. Okay, so some of the stuff is already set. I don't want any of that because I don't need any of this. If I were actually if this were actually a proxy, then that would matter. Right now it doesn't matter because it's not an actual proxy. So yeah, let's keep going. So we have error log and custom log. Server name will be like DC SSL engine is on. SSL proxy engine is also on. SSL proxy verify none. And again, I've never done this on Windows, so we might be I like to do stuff like this because if it actually works, you know how excited I get. Check. I promise you it's way easier on Linux. Off. I think that's right. SSL proxy check. Peer name off. SSL proxy check. Peer expire off. I needed to redirect to 80 though. I just thought about that. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do that. I think I could actually pull it off here. SSL certificate file. So this is where it really matters. Certificate file is going to be, for this one, it's going to be, where in the hell? This is the actual websites. Give me all that, bro. What you doing? What you doing? All right. SSL certificate. So by the way, this thing comes with certificates So XAMPP, if you install XAMPP and you want just your stuff to be encrypted, it comes with it already. It just wouldn't work with, if I kept that, it wouldn't work with my CAC authentication. So I didn't want it. I had to come up with my own conf. This one is the key file. So website underscore private. I should have just kept it like it was. Websites private that key. And then SSL certificate authority, certificate file is same. Oh no. C XAMPP apache conf. And then certificate pub. So I want to save this right now before we even like go anywhere else. All right. Let's make sure I don't have any more comments before I keep going. Do I have any comments in the live stream? Yeah, I don't. But I appreciate the love in here, man. Y'all look out for me. I look out for y'all. Engines on. Proxy request. By the way, another thing that I really could have taken advantage of, but again, I didn't do it. It's something called mod security. And so mod security your reverse web proxy can also serve as a filter for common payloads, like common SQL payloads and etc. And before it even hits your website, it'll go ahead and filter for all of that stuff, which is pretty awesome. I didn't get to do that here because of laziness. I'll try to do this every year, man, just so that something like this every year. I'll be a lot quicker with it next year or something. So proxy pass, I want you to go ahead. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, but I want you to pass the HTTP. I wanted to redirect from 443 once you authenticate, redirect into HTTP. For now, 192.168.56. What was it? Generally, you would want a host name there. But we're not doing that today. So we're lazy. 80/80 / and then proxy pass reverse. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Hopefully I am. I might have to change this again because I don't really. 6/102. I'm gonna leave that there, and then SSL verify client require. So fingers crossed this works. 443 is serving. I have to stop this. I think that's all of the typing that I'm doing. If we did it correctly, I have to stop that and start it again. And it is running. Moment of truth, bro. Moment of truth. Do I ever do bug bounties? I haven't. I think if I put my mind to it, I can go ahead and do it. Bug bounties have been getting a bad reputation lately. Because companies have started paying out less and less. So I haven't been interested. If they start back, it does. I appreciate it, man. I'm humbled by that compliment. I would say this. I like to put all of my effort into something that is currently working. Like bug bounties I think bug bounties are good and they're fun and they pay well, but I'm seeing right now, I'm seeing more value in the traditional pen testing route. What I would like to do is I would like to take OSWE, I think it's called. And then if I could take that, it would give me the skills or give me the start I need to go ahead and pursue bug bounties. But I think this really just comes from doing this every single day, like getting up at 5 o'clock. This is supposed to be my like day off, but I'm getting up at 5 o'clock to make sure that I lock this in, you know, before my family wakes up, before I get distracted. I encourage everyone to do the same. Like, I don't think I'm special. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like I wasn't born like Einstein. I just was born with like iron grind. Like, I know that's mad corny, but yeah, it's mad corny, but like for real, like that's how I think. Like, so I'm a blue. I don't know, like, so I am a threat hunter, and in my actual vocation, and I'm up against hackers that do it every day. So if hackers can hack every day, then a threat hunter should practice every day, and that's my logic. And if I go a day without practicing, then I'll go crazy. Let's go ahead and try this, though. I appreciate those comments, though, because you're keeping the live stream interesting. And it's not just me talking. All right. I'm nervous. I know that. All right. Let's try this. So that's HTTP, which is working just fine. HTTPS. I don't think it's working. Damn. Or maybe that's what we want. Maybe we want that. I just thought about it. Maybe we want that. HTTP. Still trying to understand APIs. Are we all? So, I mean, basically, an API is nothing but an API can be as simple as accepting a URI. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to just do a thing, or like I wanted to send an automated text message or whatever. I don't know. Just pick a thing. I could do that by like url.com/text, and the API will take this literally, and I think you mean APIs as application public programming interfaces. If you do, it'll take a URI and it'll do a thing. Now, you normally would send that with a serialized object, aka JSON object. And it would be extra things in it, like a token and other things. And you throw that at your API service, and then it's supposed to accept all of that. So yes, that. But it's sometimes confusing. It's confusing as to what the server actually wants. So there's that. Yeah, I'm not that good with it either, I'll tell you right now. Anyway, let's go back to 192. Well, we just do localhost here. Oh, that is a good sign. That's a good sign. All right. Advance, proceed. Okay. So that's a good sign, but it didn't ask me to authenticate there. Which is bad. Index.php. And then if we did !page equals login.html. Yeah, that's a good sign and a bad sign. So our it's redirecting, but then it's not asking us for it shouldn't let us in. After we redirect, it should say, nah, bro, get the fuck out of here. and it shouldn't let us access it. So we have to go back and fix that part. I'm just glad to have made that much progress. Let's check out the logs though and see what we got here. It did it in IPv6, which is whack. I hear that people can reverse engineer APIs. APIs are pretty secure if your tokens and the things that you use there are secure, in my opinion. Now, I might be dead wrong on that, but as far as I know, you should be pretty good. There's a lot that I don't know though, so there you go. So take everything that I say with a grain of salt. I don't see any SSL logs. All right, so I'm not gonna check that. I'm gonna just go straight to our file here. Let's try this. And let's just make sure when we type SSL verify require, we did correctly here. SSL verify require. So it should require that. Internal CA, all of this is correct. All of that is correct. None. Yeah, so this thing should not be allowing me to. Damn, that was loud. This thing should not be allowing me to connect to it. Hold on real quick. Hold on just a second. Is that? Why would that go off? Yo, my alarm went off, yo. But it was something failed in the kitchen. Yeah, man, everything's good. Whew. Had a rush real quick. Oh. All right, let me get focused. Yeah. Everything's good, man. Oh, man. Everything's good. All right. Yeah, so I last night I was putting up dishes and I was stacking them joints mad high, and I guess what happened was, I don't know how. Yeah. I don't know how, but one of the dishes or something failed at just a few minutes ago, I guess. And woke everybody up. But yeah, I'm double protected, weapons, all that. Bro, I appreciate you, bro. That's love there, man. I appreciate that. But trust me, bro, I'm getting out this joint alive, man. Believe that. Believe that. Like, this ain't all I got right here. This is gonna be like step one. If he can get through this right here, he got step two. And that joint coming with at least 30. Believe that. Joints look like that. So yeah. Even if it's more than one, like, yeah, they ain't gonna get far, bro. And my family, bro, like off top, my family's gonna be locked in the room. So even if they get me, they ain't get my family, bro. But we ain't got to worry about nothing like that in this neighborhood. But it's just like, from where I'm from, like, I don't take no chances. All right. So, bro, that's on a live stream, bro. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy too, because like crazy shit be happening on live streams, like with streamers and Twitch streamers. So like people be like doxing people and stuff like that. Like, so it is like, it's a crazy world out here. That's why I try not to say too much on live streams. Like, I try to like be cool with you guys, but like I try not to say too much to where it's like if somebody was just hating on me or something, like they can reach out and touch me, because that ain't cool. Local host. Okay, so it's already accepting the fact. I need to close this. But yeah, man. Yo, I mean, sheesh. I just, man, let me get my mind right. Let me try to connect from here. If anyone wants to go to war with you, it's supposed to work. Yeah, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate it, man. I'm rocking with y'all too. No doubt. So the first time, I don't know if y'all saw that. This is that is not a part of my window there, or my setup. So what I've done, because I have accepted the fact that the certificate was unknown, it's just going there now. Oh. I need to clear my certificate first. I don't know how well this is going to go, actually. Go back. Clear browsing data, third part, security. I think it's security. Certificates, I think it's this. I don't know. I never have to do this. Certificates managed by Chrome. No, that's not it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, man. I really don't. I just basically wanted to not. Let me see if we have Edge on here. What about Internet Explorer? All right, we're gonna do that. Russia. Oh, no, I don't want to hear. I don't want to read that. It's the host. Okay. More information. Yeah, it's still not working, man. So let me go ahead and do something anyway. So what I would want to do here is go to certificate, manage. Trusted root authorities. It's one of these two. Import. What? No, not this. It's a authority. Import. Yo, this is not going the way that I thought. Apache conf certificate authority. Yes. Next. Yes. Yes. Import was successful. So let's see if that works now. HTTPS localhost. Not working. What's up? That's good. It is. All right. It's still not working here. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's just simply not checking for my my files here. Admin? No. Let's see, let's try config. SSL port. I don't need MySQL right now. So I use it to find files. Abort. Yo, I don't know what I'm doing. I knew it would come down to this. What about services? What about if I did localhost 8080? Oh, not there. 8080. Okay. Sam refused to connect now. Six eight. 56 102. Okay. I think I'm there now. Somewhat. Let's try to. Okay. Still not. Let's look at this thing again. Is there something that I'm missing that should be on? How about we do this? Let's just do both. So that's 8080 and 443. Stop. Start. Yeah, that's whack. Let me see if my file, if that's doing anything at all. It's probably not. 44443. Stop. Start. So I guess that is doing something. Maybe we don't want that. Stop. Start. Yeah, I knew it'd be a pain on Windows. On like Linux, all I have to do is just get somebody else's file. All I have to do is get somebody's file, and then I could use it. Or I could have copied straight from the video that I was looking at with IPSec, but because it's Windows, you know, who knows what's working and what's not. It says there should be an error log though on here. So maybe we could check the error logs. Is this it? Apache error logs. Oh, here we go. Which is the last one? Okay. Server certificate does not include an ID which matches the server name. So this is good stuff. Example.com. You don't want no example.com. Is that in the example.com? Where the hell is it getting at? Oh, here. Yeah, let's get rid of this. I don't know why this would be tripping it up. Let's get rid of these. We don't care. That's probably like, it don't know where it says, so it's just killing the whole thing. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. Stop. Start. Let me see if anybody's responded to the chats. Damn it. I hate when I do that. I just lost one of my windows. All right, let me go back to the, damn, this is tough. This is crazy. So maybe that's what we want here. I don't know. I'd have to see. Let us, so we got to get that same file. So this same file from, where's the Cali at? This same file, this CACRT, we got to get that over to our, this box. So I need to pull up how to do cert util again. Clear. Let's do it on a desktop. Desktop, CD, desktop, cert util, exe, URL cache, f, http, 2.168.56.135.80/c a, right, CRT, and then CACRT again. Boom. And then I think from here we just go settings, and then no, this isn't advanced. Oh man, tool laws right now, privacy and security. I'm looking for where you would put your, no, more tools. Oh, I think that was it. Settings. No, that's not it either. Man, what the hell is wrong with? Downloads, can't be extensions. I didn't think it was. Showing toolbar, more tools, developer tools. The definition of insanity should be here, you would think. Manage cards? No. Manage passwords? No. Advanced? We don't even want that. Manage permissions. Proxy setup. I know that don't even sound right. This is dumb. Where's Chrome at? I know Chrome got me. More tools. Settings. And then certificates. Think this. Manage device certificates. And then we'll just import like we just did originally. Continue next. Browse. Desktop. Certificate authority here. And then finish. Import was successful. So if it tries to connect, then we did good. We'll see. We're gonna figure this out. I'm gonna be here until we get it to work. So I don't care if that's all day. Site cannot be reached. Took too long to respond. Start 8080. Can't provide a character. So it's there. So the client is good. Let's go back here and just look at. Let's try. I don't think it's in here. Let's see though. None of that. Server name. We don't care. Don't care about that. Man, it was just so easy. So easy looking at somebody do this on Okay, so the virtual host, it is reading the virtual host. Maybe we should check this out. Probably should check that out beforehand. Let me see. ssl.conf. Listen on 443. It's already doing that. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like it might be using this. Yeah, it might be using this, bro. We missed this. Yeah, it's probably using this one. Yo, that sucks actually. Because one thing about it, I think when it comes to XAMPP, they want it to be as easy as possible. So yeah, it's probably using this. So what we could do, because I don't care about the, we can just put this here. Website private key. Did I do this correctly? Yeah, but let's undo those actually, because this is just gonna confuse me. I don't know what they're talking about. I'm not an expert at this stuff. Let's put everything back where it was. And then let's say Apache conf. This is the certificate key file server key. So conf and then that. Server certificate chain. That's good. I don't care. Or do I? No, I don't care about the certificate chain actually. I do care about certificate, server certificate. I care about that. So that it won't fucking save. So that was for nothing. Oh, it saved actually. That was actually pretty convenient there. Example.com. Do you see that? Don't nobody know what example.com is? Let's see though. Let's keep it. Let's keep it actually. Okay, so this is good. Server certificate, website, public, CRT. I'm gonna turn off server certificate. This is the private one. We don't care about the chain. We need a certificate authority. And then that's it. We got require there. Okay, so this should be, I don't know why. Oh, well, I think that's gonna work there actually. Certificate authority pub.crt here. All right, so let's now stop this and start this. This works. I learned a lot as well. It does not seem to be starting. Start. Shit. Here we go. What do you mean? Okay, so maybe I messed up one of the file names here. Let's comment this out for now and see how far we make it without that. Let's comment this out and this out. Yo, I promise y'all a show, man. Now it's still saying error, man. Okay, so it's saying, for example.com, at least one certificate for example.com. So we'll go back and we'll say, all right, you want a certificate? There you go. Start logs. What is it saying now? Unable to configure verify locations for client authentication. No certificate or CRL found. Client authentication. All right. So the next one we want to do, I guess, is and bro, this is not for the week, bro. We don't need that, do we? You know, I don't think we do. So let us there, and then see if we get a new error. We don't. Let's do that. Are these crisscross like supposed to be in? Let's try that. Start logs, error log. No certificate or CRL found. Not finding certificates. Let's try this one. See what happens. Let's try this one. See what happens. Learning like something about that. I think we'll wait and see. Let's look at the logs. See if any logs are coming across here. I don't have anything that failed yet. If this doesn't work, I have one more thing that I want to do. Error log. See if any errors are coming across there. Still nothing. Start again. Logs error. Okay, so how about we do? Where are you? Something in there? Yes. But it is not what I expected. Let's do this again. So it's running. Do we got any errors? So this is it. I don't know you guys can see that. This is the one that we created. Certificate authority, stuff like that. Whatever. Stop that. Oh, maybe server root is throwing it off. Maybe. Logs, error. Oh, it did not tell me anything about. It said these three are all I need, man. Server certificate change. I don't know. I guess I'm about to give up on this shit, man. Nobody's. This should work. I don't understand. It's saying no certificate or CRL found. Maybe this is too long or something. I don't know. Let's just rename it CA. I don't know. It would be nice to know which. Let's just comment that back out. Certificate authority. Where to find CA certificates. File must be PEM encoded. That's probably what it is. So okay. Conf. It says path, right? So start. Seriously. So something different happened there. Unable to determine list of acceptable CA certificates for client authentication. I don't know why. There's got to be some kind of way to. That's got to be it because there's nothing else. Logs, error. Unable to determine list of acceptable CA certificates for client authentication. But I got you, bro. It's this one. What did I do wrong? In notes, they named this joint internal. It said file must be PEM encoded. I don't think this is PEM encoded. I'm in the wrong thing. Hey, with Notepad. Okay. Oh, it does look encoded. A little. I don't know. Let me switch it up and try something. Website public.crt. Even though that makes no sense, I'm gonna try it anyway. Yep, doesn't like that either. Logs, Apache log. I'm gonna figure this out, bro. Don't even worry about it. Unable to determine a list of. Okay, that's not what I wanted to see. Oh. Boom. 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 Start. Logs. Error log. Down. No certificate. Okay, so I'm gonna start Googling this now. This is getting ridiculous. I know I'm not like the only one with this error. Looks like you have deleted your certificate. Restore the certificate using your backup. Install a self-signed certificate. Man, chill out. Fuck out of here. I'm trying to set up my own though. This is the correct one. SSL certificate key file is wrong. This is wrong. Key file. SSL certificate file is also wrong. Okay. So let's get rid of all of this crap, right? Let's okay, wait a minute. Let me make sure I didn't do anything wrong here. So it's listening on 443. Virtual host default setup. SSL certificate file. Let's use actual what do you call them? Well, for one, I'm looking at it now. The damn slashers are the wrong way. That be it? Website public server certificate file CRT. Certificate key file is the same. and then you save that. Server certificate file, server key file. And then the last one is and nothing else is unchecked, right? Just this one. And then this should be all of that internal ca.crt. Nothing else is unchecked. That is good here. Verifier, all of that is commented out, so we don't know what that is. Guess that's it. All right, let's see if it start now. It won't start. I still can't find anything. Do you need path and file? Let's just do the path this time. Should work. Start. Bro. Do the website, does the website have to match? Maybe so. Maybe that's why it's looking at probably what I have here. So let's check that out. Maybe that's the reason. So internal CA is unknownartist.com. And this is example.com. So let's try changing that. Unknown. And then server admin. I never set that. See if that works. What's the error now? No, unable to configure. Let's look at that. Oh, don't do that. So we did something wrong when we were saving these things. Okay, so yeah, my camera went off, but it says that we have it in the DER file, and we need to save it. I guess I don't even know how we would have whatever. What did that say again? This right here. Yo, this was not a tutorial, bro. This is crazy. It says, damn, I'm gonna have to type this in another window. Open SSL X509 in CA.crt inform DR out ca.crt. So this is supposed to work. What? Why? Is that how it's supposed to look? Says could not read certificate from CA.crt. Maybe something happened to it. I don't know. Oh, just leave all this shit blank this time. I don't care. Could not read certificate from. Did I do that correctly? Did I type that? Fuck, man. Bro, I'm fucking sleepy, man. I just screwed this up pretty badly. What if we did inform PM? Okay, so it is a PM file. Let's go back. Oh. That is not what they describe here. Base 64 encoded with some wrapping. This isn't base 64 encoded. Oh, yeah, so that's a binary dump. But how do I see file internal? Is it type? What is it? That was file. I don't know. Shit. I cannot get this thing to start. Let me look back at this. This is what it's reading from. SSL engine on. Server private key. Certificate authority. File must be PM encoded. ca2.crt. Save that. I don't see this being any difference. I just want to get a different error. Configuration failed. Do they want me to make it here? Because I could do that. Priv key that pim. I mean, this is going to take a long ass time. Boom, 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 boom. Enable the low private key. Okay, whatever. I don't know what you're talking about. Says access is denied. Certificate was provided. That's fine, but I need a server. I need a certificate authority. That's what this whole thing is about. I need the certificate authority to work. I don't think I missed nothing. Let me go in here. You look at what the command I ran. Compare it. These notes I have. My CA key good? Never really tested that out, see if it was good or not. Pretty sure it is. It's gonna let me generate it. All right, so I'm gonna just do something. I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this good configuration here and paste it. Can I do that? Maybe something in there is throwing it off. But instead of, wait a minute. I don't know if it's gonna like being indented like that. Certificate file. What was it again? It wasn't Linux, I'll tell you that shit. It was this for all three. I don't know how far it's have to be. It has to be out. Server name is not Hilk. It's like, don't even need one. Unknownartist.com. Certificate. Why didn't I name it like the write-up? Certificate file, certificate key file. Website, public, CRT, internal, ca.crt. That should be it. All right, so whatever. Let's try now. Another error. See what we get. Are we even still getting errors? Like, how about we just delete this and start over? All right, start logs. No, not you. Logs, error. Oh yeah, we're not even getting errors anymore. Let's go back. What was the error thing again? Shit. Screwed this up. let's just save it as here. And let's, I don't know what this is. Let's just comment it out. Start logs. It's not in there anymore. It is in here now. It should be. Apache XAMPP apache conf error, and you don't see it. So where is that thing? So that's what I wanted. I guess. Start logs, here that log, nothing in there. Okay. I definitely screwed this up by deleting shit and start undoing shit. Oh, well, it likes the path to be in quotes, so that's new. Save that. Start logs, error log, nothing there. Let's just delete all of this shit, go back to normal. Logs, error log. We're gonna figure this out, bro. Is it? Oh, it's commented out. All right, let's keep Googling it, bro. We gotta keep going, man. Okay, we gotta get this. I gotta deliver. I don't have a bundle. So okay, there's nothing wrong with that. We don't have any of those, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's go back to httpd.conf. Okay. We can walk through the same thing again. Maybe like there was something that I did with my certificates. But the only thing that has to match up are, well, look at shit. Okay, well. All right, I'll try to run through this pretty fast. And I'll also try not to make it confusing. So just see, remove the whole thing. Clear cd cac clear. All right. This time we're not gonna make it confusing. Just gonna copy that. That's gonna be our certificate authority. We're not doing a passphrase. Oh, it wants a passphrase. Shit. Okay. Gotta do a passphrase. Then we gotta do a public key for that same thing. Passphrase. We'll just do the same passphrase. I'm not putting anything in there this time because I don't know, maybe it's clashing like that or whatever. We'll do this. We're gonna keep going with the same stuff. Nothing, just all blank. And then this, I had to change my notes here and say, I guess web.crt. Yeah. What? So boom, that's done. And then this time for the CAC, we're gonna just say damn main. So that's whatever. And then this is my public key. Oh, I gotta have no passphrase for that. So that's the public key. And then finally, we'll do open SSL here. Export password. I don't know if I had a password. All right, boom. So we should have everything there. And then we'll go ahead and serve this on okay, oh, shit. Serve it on 8080. Go back. I don't even know if anybody's even watching me, bro. I gotta do this, man. I don't care, man. I really don't. I gotta do it. Shit. No. So I'm thinking maybe the website stuff is getting mushed up. I remove website, remove CA, remove internal, all of that stuff. And then we're here. The next thing we could do, let's do our cert util again. ca.crt, right? So that's that. ca.crt. Next we need web.crt. Next we need web.key. Those are the three we need. All right. Let's see. I was trying to time everything. I don't know where my phone is. I'm trying to enjoy it. Where the hell's my phone? Right. Phone is important. Not right now though. All right. SSL certificate conf web.key certificate key file web.crt, and then ca.crt, and then start logs error. Yeah, it's not finding it. Boom, save, start logs, error logs. So I'm thinking it's got to be some kind of it's got to be some kind of I'll be back. It's got to be some kind of thing where Windows. Yeah, I don't think Windows likes something about the certificate. Although I did make it certificate being loaded. It's X509. But I get SSL library error. No certificate. Let's Google that again. Let's put XAMPP in here. So what it could be is maybe let me see if the MD5s match between get file hash CA.crt out MD5 7921 is the last four for that. MD5 some CA.crt. Are you kidding me right now, bro? The fucking files don't match. Okay. That's very disappointing. But at least we know. All right. How about instead of, am I still serving? Let's not use cert util this time. You gotta serve for me. Thank you. 192.168 56.135 80.80. Showing folder. Boom. HD docs, not in there. Conf. Let's replace this file. Bro, what the fuck, dude? Who would have known it was something like that? Let's just download all of this shit. Replace them both. Continue. Shit works. works, bro. All right. It works. So let's check the logs there though, because so that's a lesson learned. Site can't be reached. You refuse to connect. So all you have to do, let's go here, certificate. This, I think, manage device certificates. You import that, next, browse, CAC-RT, next, import was successful. Try again. Still can't be reached. I don't understand why. Maybe it's trying to. Is this the one it's using? I'm just glad it's working. Maybe it wants example.com. That's troubling. Knownartists.com. Maybe it wants that, and then we'll stop this. Start it. https.com. Unexpectedly close the connection. So I don't know if it's doing any name resolution there. At this point, I just don't give a shit. I just want it to work. Local hosts. Okay. Thank you. Vance says it can't be reached. I think something happened with their certificate authority. Let's try to refresh. Because this was supposed to check out here. So let's go into settings again. Certificate. That's device certificates. Let's try to import it again. Next file. It's not this one, so it's gotta be that one. Let me just make sure I'm following my notes. Maybe I had one already in here, so let me just cancel. Issued by is it in here? There's not any of those. Other people. Okay, so let me get rid of the unknown artist ones, and this one is probably throwing it off. And then there's nothing else in there. Yep. Nothing untrusted. So now let's import it again. install ca.crt. Next. This, it was successful. Try again. Site can't be reached. Well, I don't know why. Oh, nice to be. Yes. 2168. 56 something. I don't know. 10 something. Is it 102? Advance. It's still not asking. Oh, damn. All right, this is the time where we're supposed to. All right, we're finally there, actually. Let me think. We want to go back to that. We're almost there. So right here, a CAC card would be in, and it's not. So it's like, nah, bro. So what we got to do is we got to go back to, what was it? 135. AA. Damn it. 168. 35. And we got to get damn main PFX. And we have to load this into our browser. So this is simulating us putting in the smart card certificates. Do I still have that big black thing in the way? Let me get that out of the way. What's up, man? It's been a while, man. As you see, this hasn't been a pretty this hasn't been a pretty live stream, but we're almost there finally. Security certificates not here. Yeah, this one has not been. Yeah, I guess you get it. I ain't gotta whatever. So downloads. I didn't even download. Where the hell is it? I think I'm glad I pushed through. I'm glad I didn't give up on it, because it ended up being, I don't know if you were around, it ended up being when I was utiling it over, it was killing my it was killing like my file integrity. I don't understand why. It was like bunching up my file, making it look funny. See users favorite downloads. I'm just gonna, like, once I get this done, bro, I'm about to take like a long ass day nap, because I'm done. I'm not gonna hold you. This was way more challenging than it was supposed to be. Okay, so it wants, oh, there it is. Next, private key. So I think I did that. Hopefully. Shit. Maybe that. There's no fucking way. I didn't do a password, bro. All right, I'm gonna have to do that again. I guess the more you learn, the more you know, man. Stop that. PFX joint. So I just typed in the password. Let me download it again. And refresh it so it gets me a new one. Okay. I'm pretty sure I set it to not have a password. That'd been kind of dumb. Anyway. All right, damn main PFX one more time. Let's take these out so it has no excuse whatsoever. Let's call it 5. I don't really care. Settings. certificates, security, import, next, browse, effects, this, next, bro, this shit about to. All right, let me try again, but this time let me set a strong password. Maybe it just didn't like my password. Let me set a stronger password than that. Let me also make sure that actually this is what we could do. And then there's no fucking way that password is incorrect. They're literally numbers. Security, manage security device, import, X, browse. All them joints. The damn main this time. Next. Shit. So maybe it's something with Chrome and not allowing people to use passwords. We can go back to Edge or Internet Explorer and try. I'm not sure why that is with Chrome. Internet options. I think I got a certificates. Oh, it looks like the same thing. Next. PFX. DMA. Next. Same password. The password you entered is incorrect. Next. I don't know. Click around. Make sure it's displaying properly. Private key was protected with a password. Import wizard password incorrect. Can we do it without a password? I know I said I already did it, but let me just double check. Okay, let's try that. Totally blank, so it should have no problem with blank passwords. So I did want to do a password to show you, like, you know, you have a smart card, you definitely have a password with it, but shit is not working. I think there's probably right. Some probably got password enter still incorrect. Still incorrect. Still incorrect. All right, I'm gonna have to try. Let's go back, and it says use triple des. What? Windows certificate store. I don't know if I want to do all of that. Let's try export pfx triple des open SSL. I just need to know the syntax, bro. There it is. -3. Hope this works. What does export mean? PBE SHA-1 triple des. So we'll try that. Cert PBE key PBE. Now, if let's try a password. All right, so now we serve this, and then import X, browse, PFX. Wait a minute, did we download one? I think we did. Damn main too. All right, browse. Damn main too. Next. Oh my God. Oh, it is not. Yeah. ADS. What? That's 3. Okay, how about we just not do export then? Inline key, fuck. All right, that doesn't work. Let's keep looking at that article to see if there's something I missed. We're almost there. If you're following along, I know it's just been extremely long and extremely boring. But if you're following along, we're almost there. Boom, boom. They have no Mac. In key, in, out. There's no Mac in here. Let's try no Mac. I don't know what the fuck no Mac means. No Mac, and then we will just so that I'm not getting like some weird. Please fucking work. ABC. Then serve that. And then download this. Settings. This has been 3 hours, bro. My phone dead and everything. So security and security devices, import, continue, browse, FX, please fucking work. Next. Oh, it worked. Oh, thank you. Yes. Okay, it worked. It worked. Okay, import is successful. All right, we need to note that. Oh, yes. Now I didn't set any names in here. You could set a name there and things, but for the love of God, it finally works. So I'll try to do another video where it is much more smoothly, where it's much more smooth. I learned my lesson now about things, about all the things. Key points is like, don't use cert util. Make sure you do your integrity checks. and make sure you are, I'm going to actually save this to Commander right now because I'm not about to lose this. So you just do okay. Site cannot be reached. Boom. Oh, index.php. What? No. Oh, shit. 56.102. Yeah, there's your certificate here. And then whatever. I don't think I did something wrong, man. D6102. You mean it can't be reached? I screwed something up. It just worked. You seen it work though. Now it's saying it's not secure for whatever reason. Certificate is not valid. Maybe it wants you to reload the certificate. You seen it work though, so I ain't tripping. But maybe you just need to reload the certificate or something. I don't know. Import next. Boom. Is it this one? Maybe I don't. No. Yes. Next. Yeah. Just trust it. Close. Shit, I still don't trust it. Let me get rid of it again. I probably should have put more time into making sure. So just trying to validate the certificate, but I don't want it to do all of that. Because I guess, you know, it's like security, right? It's like the security is boosted up and stuff, which is fine. I appreciate that, but I need you to tone that down. So I think what it's going to do, no protection, turn off. I think what it's going to do is it's going to check itself. Mm. 6102. It could just go ahead and give me a connection like it just did. 443 and stop playing. It just did, man. We all seen it. Did we kill it? Did we kill the damn? Stop. Start again. Maybe we killed the website or something. HTTP. Site cannot be reached. I don't believe that. So we just was like celebrating. Okay. Site cannot be fucking reached. Cause it's like, bro, that certificate is not valid. Let's see if I could hit it from here then. Say 56.102. I don't know what happened. We just saw it work. We just saw it work, man. Let me see if it worked from Win 10. The our victim here. This site cannot provide a secure connection. 9.2.168.56.102. Oh, you gotta give me something else, man. Site cannot be reached. It is just dead set on that certificate not being valid, and I don't understand why. Whatever, bro. Site cannot provide a secure connection. Site cannot be reached. I'm not using a proxy. It says no internet access, but I'm pretty sure that's not true. Yep. So why would it work and then not work? But you saw it work. I don't know why it's not working after all of that. Stop it. Start it again. I guess. Localhost. Your connection is not private. Advance. Proceed. Site cannot be reached. Security. Manage devices. I don't know. It's really weird. Well, looks like we need to import the certificate. Browse. Instead of doing the one in downloads, because that one might be like bad, we'll do this one. Intermediate. Yep. Import was successful. Close. There. Bro. I say that I trust it. HTTP. Localhost. There we go. So, certificate information. Be able to see that. Okay. And it takes you to the site cannot be reached. So I think what's happening is I think what's happening now is it works though. The CAC authentication works, but I think once it's trying to redirect you after that, and it doesn't know where the hell to go, which is understandable. But you would want it to go, let me just come back. You would want it to go to, where's my file? Proxy pass. I think this is how you're gonna do it. I don't know, I'm spitballing here. As long as the thing works, proxy pass. Cause yeah, there's nothing so I'm thinking maybe, I don't know. Wait a minute, that doesn't make any sense. You wouldn't get that error. Okay, so you authenticate yourself. Okay. It didn't accept my login certificate that time. It's just not stable. Authenticate. Site cannot be reached. Temporarily down. Host index.php. Site cannot be reached. It says not secure. Like, bro, I trust the certificate, bro. But that's how you do that. As crazy as it is. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that. Let me try to screw with this for a minute. Maybe we can make it redirect to 92168 56102 / index.php question mark page equals login.html. Maybe we can make it redirect there. Let me go to XAMPP. I did learn a lot, man, even though like this was it's really shitty. Like this shit really crazy and all over the place. But I did learn a lot. And I'll never screw this up again. It does not want to redirect me. Man, yeah, but the thing is, right, I wasn't trying to show this to, well, let me just not say that. I think what's going to end up happening is I have to make everything in 3 days, which I'm not going to do that. You have a server that asks for a certificate, and boom, yeah. If you want to create a server like this, go back and do the 3 days stuff. I'm gonna have to do this in a long form video, but here, yeah, it works. Okay, so whatever, we out. Peace.